It's English time! Hi, I'm Teacher Mitch. Come and join me as we learn English the easy way. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to keep updated with my latest uploads. Please also share and hit the like button if you appreciate my videos. Thank you! How are you, Grade 8? Welcome to Part 2 of our Lesson 1 discussion. Alam kong excited na kayong ituloy ang inyong natutunan sa previous video natin. Kaya naman, magsimula na tayo. Our target learning competency for this video is evaluating persuasive text. And here is the content of today's discussion. Types of claims. We already know that persuasive texts use facts to inform and opinions to influence. But when writers try to convince us, they don't just throw random facts or opinions. They build claims. A claim is the writer's main point or stand on an issue. These claims can take different forms: claim of fact, claim of value, and claim of policy. So, as we move forward, let's see how these three types of claims work together in persuasive texts to shape the arguments we read. Understanding claims in persuasive text. When someone tries to persuade you, they make a claim. A claim is like the main idea or stand that the writer or speaker wants you to believe. To be convincing, writers use different kinds of claims depending on what they want to prove. Let's break them down. Claim of fact. A claim of fact argues that something is true or false, real or not real, or that it did or did not happen. Clue words: is, was, will be, can, does, exist. Goal: to prove whether something is a fact. For example, climate change is caused by human activities. Example 2. Texting while driving increases the risk of accidents. Example 3. Basketball is the most popular sport in the Philippines. These examples can be checked or proven using evidence, research, or statistics. Next is claim of value. A claim of value argues about what is good or bad, right or wrong, better or worse, important or unimportant. Clue words: good, bad, better, worse, valuable, important, should not. Goal: to show how something should be judged. For example, education is the most valuable gift a person can receive. Example 2. Social media has a negative effect on teenagers. Example 3. Honesty is the best policy. These given examples cannot be proven with numbers alone. They rely on values, beliefs, and reasoning. And lastly, claim of policy. A claim of policy suggests that something should be done, a rule should change, or a solution should be applied. Clue words: should, must, need to, ought to, have to. Goal: to call for action. For example, schools should provide free Wi-Fi for students. Example 2. The government must create stronger laws against cyberbullying. Example 3. We should recycle more to reduce waste. These are persuasive because they encourage people to do something or make a change. You've already learned that persuasive texts use different types of claims: fact, value, and policy. Now, it's time to test your detective skills. In this activity, you will read different statements and you have to figure out which type of claim each one represents. Here are the choices. Claim of fact, which tells us what is true or false, real or not real. Claim of policy, which suggests what should be done or what action to take. And claim of value, which judges something as good or bad, right or wrong, better or worse. Put on your claim detective hat and see if you can identify each statement correctly. Number 1. The Great Wall of China is the longest man-made structure in the world. Answer is claim of fact because it is a verifiable fact. Two, all students should wear uniforms to school. Answer is claim of policy. This advocates for a specific course of action or policy in Philippine schools. Three, chocolate chip cookies are the best kind of cookie. Answer is claim of value. This expresses a personal preference or value judgment about cookies. Four, the Amazon rainforest is vital to the health of the planet. Answer is claim of fact, because it is a well-established scientific fact. Five, we should invest more resources in renewable energy sources. Answer is claim of policy. It proposes a specific policy for the Philippines. 6. Honesty is the best policy. Answer is claim of value. It expresses a moral value judgment. Seven, the population of the Earth is over 8 billion people. Answer is claim of fact. It is a verifiable fact, though not specific to the Philippines. Eight, video games can improve problem-solving skills. Answer is claim of value. This can be debatable. Nine, recycling is a waste of time. Answer is claim of value. It expresses a personal opinion or value judgment. And number 10, wearing a seatbelt is a law. answer is claim of fact. It is a verifiable fact and can save your life in an accident is a well-established consequence. Now that we understand what claims of fact, value, and policy are, let's look at some real examples. This table shows how the same topic, social media and teenagers, can be explained in three different ways, depending on the kind of claim the writer wants to make. Type of claim. Claim of fact. Example. Teenagers spend an average of 7.5 hours per day on social media platforms. Explanation. Verifiable with data. Focuses on the quantifiable impact or the time spent. Claim of policy. Social media companies should implement stricter age verification procedures to limit access for young teenagers. Explanation. Advocates for a specific course of action. Proposes an action to address a potential issue arising from the impact. Claim of value. Social media interaction can be a valuable tool for fostering connection and community among teenagers, but it's important to balance that with real-world experiences. Explanation. Expresses a judgment about the value of social media for teenagers. Judges the overall worth of social media for teenagers, acknowledging both positive and negative. Thanks for watching!